Right, go 17 mile, and depending on his course, we're still following. Depending on his course, I'll let you know. But if we get another vehicle, Sandy Creek as well as 17 mile, cover both bases.
Yeah, 206, we'll take Sandy Creek Road.
Yeah, 208 VK, we got stings on board. We can set up somewhere if need be.
Hang on, whiskey 269, automatic gunfire, 269, urgent, automatic gunfire, police car is rolled. Hang on, whiskey 269, it's an automatic rifle, we're getting out of here.
See that 269, all vehicles back away.
Shot fire. Hang on, whiskey 269, then urgent assistance, there's a vehicle, police vehicle is rolled, he's shooting automatic fire at it, full automatic.
Location of rolled vehicle.
On Wallace Road at the bottom, it just gets really steep in Sandy Creek. Yeah, we're at 220 Wallace Road. We've got to get out of here.
Well, I'm about 100 metres away. I'm coming back from DPR. I'm unarmed. I can hear shots being fired. I repeat, I can hear shots being fired. I'm at 200 metres away.
269, that vehicle is in a lot of trouble. He's only about 50 metres away with 69, we've just rolled as well. We've got two vehicles rolled. We're going to try and get out of here. Can someone help us? We're heading.
Can you help here? We need help here.
Yeah, whereabouts, Kath?
470, go. Can the unit behind me give me an update, please? We are sitting ducks. 40's injured, there's blood. We need a hand here.
Yeah, what's his...
Three cars, a minibus and homes have been damaged in a destructive car crash on the Gold Coast. Police now investigating whether the driver was drunk behind the wheel.
A mangled mess and a trail of debris, the work of an out-of-control Audi in Upper Coomera. The man allegedly behind the wheel speaking to police before being taken away by paramedics.
I just heard a loud crash, came out and there was wreckage everywhere.
The driver lost control along Fawn Street just after 9:30 last night. The destruction was widespread, power boxes destroyed, a garage door bent, debris strewn over front lawns and along the road, the sides of vehicles smashed.
It's written off, yeah. So it's hit 3 cars.
Residents met on their driveways, piecing together what went wrong. Today, the clean-up continued.
And we just had bits and pieces strewn all over the lawn.
Our neighbour's front bumper hit our garage, just glass everywhere, all across our driveway.
Neighbours still in disbelief.
I didn't see our car in the driveway because it's normally parked here. And I just assumed, someone must have stolen it until we came around and it was literally sitting on those rubbish bins over there.
Officers are investigating if alcohol was a factor in the crash and are tonight waiting on test results. On the Gold Coast, Amanda Abate, 7 News.